Today I'm going to quickly show you the way that you log in to the Jio Hotstar account. If you have an account of Jio Hotstar and you're trying to log into it, let me show you the quick process. First things first, make sure you have downloaded the application. You can also follow the same process if you're using it on the website of Jio Hotstar. For this video, we're just going to use the application. So make sure you download the app and then you can tap open it. Now, once you open up the app, you'll land on the home page of the Jio Hotstar platform. In order to see this login section, make sure you head over to the profile icon, which is on the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to this page where you can just tap on login. The next step is going to be to type in your phone number, so the exact phone number that you use while signing up or creating an account of Jio Hotstar. So type in your phone number in this section. This way you'll receive a one-time password which you'll need to fill in to be able to successfully log in. So make sure you type in your phone number, type in the code correctly, and you'll be successfully logged in to your Jio Hotstar account. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.